Are you looking for a home in Charlotte, North Carolina that checks all of the boxes? Love getting on amusement rides? Check. Love getting out in the water? Check. Love jumping on a plane and going to anywhere out in the world? Check, check, check. Well, today, where exactly are we? Well, we're getting ready to find out in just a moment. Welcome to 14938 Tamarack Drive, located in Charlotte, North Carolina. We are in the neighborhood of Steele Creek, where you're just minutes away from places like Carowinds, Charlotte Premium Outlets, Charlotte Douglas Airport, and Lake Wiley. And if you want to catch a jazz show or a comedy show, you are about 30 minutes away from Uptown Charlotte. This home is newly built. It was built in 2024. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and it is an interior unit. Let's check out the way this place looks like inside. The Claymore floor plan by Madame Homes at Porter's Row is definitely the crowd favorite. This right here is a rare opportunity to own what is the most desirable plan in this community. It is 1,742 square feet and it has 2 levels, of which all the bedrooms are upstairs. In this open concept area, you can see that your wow factor is this beautiful electric fireplace. You also have enough opportunity to seat several people. I would actually add another 2 chairs so that you get a lot of conversational seating if you're hanging with family and friends. Madame Homes did not waste any space in the Claymore floor plan. From this large island where you can use your quartz countertops to cook or meal plan, to all of the additional features that they've added into the space. You have your trash and recycling drawer, and one of the things that I absolutely love about Madame Homes is the fact that they always vent out their stoves. And it is not typical to see an electric stove get vented out, but Madame always does. You also have so much storage in this space, and if you're doing dishes, you have 3 beautiful windows to look out of and enjoy those walking trips. Whether you're serving up dinner for 2 or dinner for 6, you have plenty of space in this dining area. You also have a walk-in pantry, and if you need to catch a breath of fresh air, you can exit through these 8-foot doors. It is atypical to see an 8-foot door with a 9-foot ceiling, but that is what you get with the Claymore floor plan. One of the things that's so creative about this space is that right back here, you enter through your 2-car garage door. Now this door is tucked away, which is usually not something that you can achieve in a townhome of this size. But the way Madame structured it, you get an additional closet, a drop zone to drop all of your belongings, and a restroom that you can use as soon as you walk in from a hard day at work. I must add that originally this bathroom came with a pedestal sink, but it's been changed to a vanity, so you have all the storage that you need. On the lower level, you're gonna get completely luxury vinyl plank, but on the 2nd floor, everything is carpeted. You're gonna have 2 secondary bedrooms, as well as a laundry room and a full-size bathroom. But the room that makes or breaks this place is that primary bedroom. On the 1st floor, all of your ceilings are gonna be 9 feet tall. On the 2nd floor, you have an 8-foot ceiling. But in the primary bedroom, you have this beautiful tray ceiling that really elevates this space. You can also add a dresser right here and a TV, as well as some drapes on this side. You can make this space anything you want it to be. Love the content? Remember to subscribe to the channel and tap on those notifications so you never miss any of my future content. In addition, you have a walk-in closet as well as an ensuite where you have your stand-up shower with tile all the way to the ceiling and a bench for those days when you have to shave your legs. This secondary bedroom at the top of the stairs allows you to make this into a room where you can work if you work from home, and when you have guests, you can pull down your Murphy bed and welcome them home. Some of the perks of living in Porter's Row is that you get to enjoy the walking trails and you have sidewalks on both sides of the street. This beautiful townhome is being offered at $410,000. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and it is 1,742 square feet. It also is coming complete with all of the appliances, so you get the washer, the dryer, and the refrigerator, and that beautiful Murphy bed that makes that bedroom so versatile for work or for your guests. If you're interested in taking a tour of this home, please feel free to contact me using any of the contact information below. My name is Yadi Karina Jones. I am a real estate agent with Lifestyle International Realty. I service both North and South Carolina, and I would love to work with you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Since you made it this far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.